Hey, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to increase the text size in AOL Mail, how to increase the font size on AOL. On a computer, PC and on a mobile phone as well, I will show you at the end how to increase the font size on the AOL application using a mobile phone. And as a bonus, I will show you an extra tip on how to increase the text size even more than AOL allow us, okay? So pay attention and let's start this tutorial. So starting now with the computer, this is extremely easy and straightforward. We have to open a new tab, open an internet browser like Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox or Microsoft Edge, it doesn't matter, and in the URL at the top, search for mail.aol.com and sign in into your account. Now, I will press on inbox just so I can get rid of this news. Now in the top right you will see settings. I will press on settings and here we have a setting name enable larger text size. If we check this on, now everything became bigger, okay? And if by any chance you can't see that here, press on more settings down here. Now under appearance we can find the same setting right here, enable larger text size. This is the same setting but a little bit hidden. Now an extra tip on how to increase the text even more on the computer before we'll jump on the AOL Mail application for the mobile users. If you use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, we have a shortcut to increase the text size even more. We have to hold Ctrl on our keyboard, and at the same time, if we zoom out with our mouse wheel, we can zoom out, or also if we scroll up, we can zoom in. So if we scroll down, we can zoom out, and if we scroll up, we can zoom in. If we hold Ctrl on our keyboard and play with the mouse wheel, also for Chrome, you'll have 3 dots right here, and you can locate zoom in the top right, okay? So in both ways, you can press on this minus and on this plus, or you can hold the Ctrl and play with the mouse wheel. This is the same shortcut for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. If you use Safari for the Mac users, you have to hold Command on your keyboard and play with the mouse wheel. So instead of Ctrl, you have to hold the Command on for the Safari. All right. So that being said, now let's jump on a mobile phone to show you how to increase the text size, the font size on AOL on a mobile phone. Now on the mobile phone, if you use your AOL Mail on your phone using the AOL app, don't bother going through settings and finding any text size setting right here because you don't have anything. I already go through all of them and I didn't found anything, but I still found a way how to increase the text size in the AOL app Mail despite the fact that we don't have a setting for that inside the application. So what I discovered is we have to increase the text size from our phone setting instead of the settings of the AOL application. And this is a little bit tricky because there are hundreds of phones available out there and this is a short tutorial on YouTube, alright? So you got the point. Shortly open the settings of your phone. This is an iPhone which I have here, but I will explain to you how to find them on an Android as well. On an iPhone, scroll down until you'll find display and brightness or display settings. Let's press on it. Now you can see text size inside here. Let's press on it, and if you drag this to the right, let's go to the maximum to the right, and the text become bigger. Now let's switch back to AOL, and now you can see everything became bigger in the AOL application. On an Android phone is pretty much the same. I use Android more than a decade in this life. You have to open the settings of your phone and find some display settings similar to the iPhone. 90%, something like that, of Androids will have these text size settings under the display settings. So open the settings of your Android phone, find display or display settings, something similar to that, and inside it you'll find text size, or I will give you a shortcut to find them even faster. Just open the settings of your phone, and now 99% or something like that of the phones will have a search bar up here in settings. So let's just press on this search, and we have to search for text size, and I found it in the same way you can get here using the search bar. Or also you can try font size if text size didn't found anything for you. So that's a great shortcut to find the text size settings inside of your phone. And by increasing the text size from your phone will as well increase the text size from your AOL application. So that being said, I hope this tutorial helped you out on how to increase the text size on AOL Mail, how to increase the font size on AOL, on a computer, PC and on a mobile phone as well, Android and iPhone. Thanks a lot for watching, a comment will be much appreciated, and bye bye.